Okay, so by taking your consent for this recording as well, I'm started the recording of this session, and it's purely for educational purpose and focusing on the next content for Power BI as a part of data science training offered from NI Analytics. And to begin with, let me address the doubt that you had previously. So, can you just share your screen, Vijay?
Yeah. One second. Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible. You can launch Power BI. Good. Okay. So, yeah, maybe later. You can just click on maybe later. Just close it. Yes, I told you to create a visual, right? Just try a sample data set. Yeah, I think you have already created one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I've
Really good.
created one, but I wasn't able to share it to you.
Yeah,
In the
that's completely.
sense,
Yeah, yeah. It completely. We can get it and go to file.
yeah,
Yes,
export it, right?
exactly.
Export as PDF, right? I click on
Yes,
this, and
yes.
it automatically opens up in this thing. Yeah, this opens up.
Okay, just expand that. See, you have now got this report in a PDF format. Getting my point, right?
Hmm.
Okay, I hope you're getting my point.
Yeah,
So you have to save this.
yeah, yeah.
So I think what's the shortcut
Okay.
for saving the PDF? Control yes.
Yeah, it's not happening.
It's not happening. Okay, just click on print as well. Okay, Control P will also work. Okay, yes. Now go to the printer, move up, go to the printer, change it as save as PDF. If you have got an option, just come down. Is there an option like save as PDF? Okay, print to PDF. Okay,
Mm.
that's there. Okay, yes,
Should I click on this?
yes, please. Yes, you can click on all the pages and click on print. Yeah, now you can save it, right?
Okay.
Okay, you just send it over WhatsApp to the group. Okay, now don't do it now. Do it later.
Got it.
Okay,
Okay.
got it right.
Yeah. That's what I was trying it out. I was trying to send the link. It's like it's getting saved on the local thing, so I was a bit confused.
Yeah, you have an option there as well. It's fine. You know the process right now. I hope
No,
that
yes, yeah.
there is no issues from here onwards from your side to
Share. Yes, I will do.
share as a PDF, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great to hear. And today, what we will do, Vijay, is we will see some visualizations and also its formatting features, and as well as me in the next class, we will also see what best we can do in creating furthermore reports and along with the data sets what I have shared. Okay, try to create a folder, Vijay.
Okay.
Okay, try to
Yeah.
create a folder,
I-
keep all the resources
Yeah.
in one place because I might be deleting it after one day as well. Okay, so immediately you have to download it and keep. Okay,
Yeah, I've already created a Power BI folder, like all the resumes and everything that you shared, right? I've already stored it all there in
yeah, yeah, that's better,
storage folder.
Vijay. That's better. That's good to hear. And in the coming classes, we might have additional classes as well, depending on my time, so that I'll be
Okay.
able to pick up soon. Your like you want the classes to be completed soon, right?
Yeah, yeah. We'll go in fast pace, no problem.
Sorry.
No, we'll go in fast pace, I was just telling you.
Yeah. We'll go in fast pace, and we can have like 2 classes a day as well, 2 hours in a day. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Just giving you a heads up so that you also be prepared and be ready. Okay.
That's right.
Okay, Vijay. Great to hear that.
Yeah.
So let's
Good.
focus on what needs to be learned today. And
Mhm.
yesterday we got to know about things which is related to, say, yes, I got this toolbar also upgrade. Yeah, I think it's the new version. I'm a bit more. Okay, just a moment. Okay, okay, I get this. Okay, so today what we will see here is visualization. Okay, now we will talk about different data sources and data sets in that different data source, and also we will have certain areas such as concepts related to Power Query Editor and also data model. Okay, so why I'm moving into the visualization is because here in visualization we have got related types of visuals that we are going to discuss. I hope you have got the syllabus PDF copy, right? You have got it, I believe.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you can just look into that as I share my visuals. I mean, the Power BI training as well. Okay, loading. Okay, so this is the one that we are discussing right now, Vijay. So if you are quite aware of how to use visual in Power BI, different charts, that is nothing but we call it as visuals or charts. Next, we focus on these three things, which is different categories of visuals. Okay, just like you have line chart, bar chart, and when to use line chart, when to use bar chart, when to use a map visualization, when shall we filter or slice the data, and when can we use gauge or number single number charts, or what are custom visuals, what is KPI visuals, and how do we format all the visuals, and how do we organize the report using formatting options, how do we enhance the report using buttons, bookmarks.
Got it.
Okay, and also we have got
Okay.
certain features like tooltip, the most commonly used one, and the most repetitive question that we see in Power BI visualization topic. Okay, that is tooltip, and also you have got two different options as well, which is a drill down and as well as drill through. Getting my point, which is nothing but drill
Okay.
down
Different
and
visualizations. Okay.
yes, okay, drill down as well as drill. Vijay,
Drill through.
that would your if you mute yourself, I think that would be helpful for me.
Okay. Okay.
Whenever you have questions, you just unmute and let me know because there's a lot of background noise that's not helping me. I hope you can understand.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Yeah. Got it? So in case if you get background noise from my end, please let me know as well. Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So when we are talking about this visualization, so these are the topics that will come, and also there are some additional topics as well, which I'll include it so that you could learn more apart from what is being there in the syllabus. Okay, don't worry at all. So these are the topics that we will see. In case if you find anything which you require, okay, which you require, you can just let me know. I'll work on that, and I will explain you what is the agenda behind anywhere like concept that you have come across. Okay, but
Okay.
so let me go to this file over here, which is nothing but the Power BI file what we have opened, and I will try using a sample data set. Okay, I'll load the sample data set, and I'll wait for a few seconds so that the navigator pane gets open. Now, once I open this navigator pane, I have got this financials table here that we already discussed yesterday, right? So in the financials table, you just click on the financials and click on load as an option. Okay, and we'll click on load as an option. Now, once we have got this financials table, which is having 700 rows of data, this is a sample data set that we are loading. And once when you click on that sample data set, you have got some changes that you have to do. Like I have directly clicked on load there. What was the second step that we had discussed, Vijay? We get the data from data source. What is the second step?
Then format the data, check for
Not format
clean,
the data.
then
I think if you have written it,
transform. Sorry, transform the data. Sorry, yeah,
it is transform the data, right? So it is transform the data. And
yeah.
the next one is model the data. And next one is
Visualize the
visualize the data.
data and then
Okay?
collaborate and share.
Collaborate and share. Correct. Absolutely correct. So what we are doing right now is we are going to go for building a visualization at the moment. Okay. Building a visualization at the moment. Now, how to use the visualization or what is the main point of using this visualization is you need to get a proper understanding of the report, which can be interpreted with the help of visualization only. Okay, with the help of visualization only, you are going to format or you are going to see the report, which is done only by formatting certain visuals or developing the visuals at. Okay, now when we are going to see or when we are going to understand this visualization, one thing is clear, you should be quite aware of what is it, the interface, right? So I just told you this is the desktop view, this is the mobile layout view, and we have got three different panes, that is report view, table view, and also we have got the model view. And in the data we have got the data pane, visualizations pane, and we have got the filters pane here. Okay, we have got the filters pane here. Okay, so again, just like another Microsoft product, we have got insert, modeling, view, optimize, and help. Okay, so these are few options that are there at the moment. And I believe that Vijay, you just restart your system by tonight itself because we
Update.
have got an update of November month Power BI. So if you update it tonight, you will get it in tomorrow morning. So your Power BI will be updated. Okay, I'll also update because I'm waiting for the stable release of Power BI update. So as a Microsoft certified trainer, we will be getting alerts. So just update today night. Okay, after the class ends. Now, focusing on the types of visualizations right now, we have got the visualization pane. Okay, so one type of visualization that we have got is the native visuals, which we call it as inbuilt visuals. Okay, which we call it as inbuilt visuals. Got it. Next, we have got custom visuals, which is generally imported from the app source. Just like you update from the Google Play Store or the Microsoft Store, it is imported from app source. Okay, it is imported from app source, and you need to have a login credential. You need to have a login credential. Okay, so when we talk about visuals here, now this is where we have got native visuals, and the second one we have got custom visuals. Okay, native visuals and custom visuals. Getting my point? Now, once we are having this visuals, which is first one, the native visuals, second one, the custom visuals, right? So first we will focus on the native visuals, which is nothing but an inbuilt visuals, or we call it as, say, the charts generally in Power BI. Okay, so let's focus on what we need to learn right now when we start using this Power BI here. Okay, so once we go for this clustered bar chart and clustered column chart here, let's start with using a clustered column chart. Got it? And next, let's go for a clustered bar chart. Okay, so we have got this clustered column chart and we have got this clustered bar chart as well. So let's focus more on clustered column chart where we are going to develop a visual. Drag and drop, that is what we know. And let us drag and drop the product on the x-axis. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Got it. So this is where we have got some of sales by product, different product would be there. Now, once you see this is a complete column chart that we are going to have, okay? So this column chart is a way in which we understand how we can compare the x-axis. Now, what is there on the x-axis? Now, what's there on the
We have
x-axis?
x-axis. We have products on the x-axis.
Absolutely, right? So on the product comparison, if you want to do a product comparison, you go for selecting a column chart. Okay, you go for selecting a column chart. Okay, now if you want to format this type of visuals, what you can do here is you can go to formatting your visual and click on data labels to turn it on. Okay, you see the data labels, it is turned on. And once you have the data labels turned on, you want to go for any vertical orientation, you want to place it inside and you can do that. And you can see the values as well. You can just increase the font size to 15. You can make it bold as well, and you can change the color to black as well. Okay, so this is how you can just format the sales, that is the sum of the sales by product. Okay, so you say that it is only formatted in millions. Now how do I change it to thousands, right? So once I have the display units, I change it to thousands here. Getting my point here? I change it to thousands. Got it?
Yes.
Now, if you want to increase the decimal points, up to 2 decimal points is the general one that we see. In case if you want to have any overflow of text, you turn it on. Okay, and you will be having like a border that you also want to keep, you can turn on the border, turn it on, and you can just round the corners, which is 10, and you can keep it here directly. Okay, so you can either increase or decrease the like size of the visual, and you can keep it. Okay, is it clear to you right now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you can keep it, and you can just see to it that you have got a visual that is completely formatted. Now, if you want to add an average line, there is an option which is called as further analysis to your visual. You can click on an average line, click on this, okay, and you can just say it as average sales. Okay, you get that, and you are having the line, can make it a solid line, decrease the transparency, okay, make it to black as well if you need it. See, this is the average line that you have. Now you can also have that average value on that. You can just go to the data label, turn on the data label. Yes, see, you got the average line. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to see it on the right side, you can keep it on the right side. And the units, you want to change it to thousands, you can keep it to thousands and increase the decimal value here. Okay, so this is how we have the sum of sales by product.
Okay.
Okay, clear right now, Vijay?
Yeah.
Fine. Any doubts from your end in understanding a simple formatting visual that we have done so far?
No, no, no. It's
Okay.
straightforward. It's simple and straightforward. It's directly
So,
click on
so
this
I
thing,
think I'll just,
chart, and we can go down and we get all the details.
yeah, we can look at quite fast, right? Not a problem. Yeah. So moving
Yes.
on, in case if I want to compare the numerical quantities of different products. Okay. Now here, if we look at this visual, we can say that the Paseo product is higher when it compared to the other set of products. Okay. But what happens if I want to compare the numerical data? If I want to say which or like which product has got the highest sales, I can say Paseo, where I can choose a column graph like this. Now, if I want to see a numerical comparison of data, I will be going for a bar chart. Now, product wise comparison, I'll go for column chart, but numerical quantity wise comparison, I'll be going for visualization, which is a bar chart. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll go for sales, and let me add country as well. Got it? So I'll just go for data labels, and I'll just go for values. See, thousands, and I'll just increase the decimal point here. Okay, see here, this is where we see that it is completely based on the numerical quantity, which we can compare. Mexico has the least sales when it is compared with other countries. So we can also do some formatting features, which is similar to that of the column chart that we have created. Okay, see here, we have created a column chart and we can keep it right away. Now, how do I use the same formatting here? So I can just select this. There is a format painter that we have got. Click on that and click on this option, which is sum of sales by country. Now, there is an average line that you can add. That's where we have also got the average sales. Enter it, and the data label is turned on. You can keep it at the right. display units, thousands, I'll keep it. And I'll just increase the formatting to 2 decimal points, and I can keep it. So you can see a new average line also being added with the sum of sales by country. This was by product and this was by country. Okay. So I hope things are clear at your end. And now when
Yeah.
you want to change it in terms of percentage, okay, you want to change it in terms of percentage, you can just click on this column chart and go to the 100% stacked column chart, just like this. Now everything is showing it as 100% here, okay, because the data format is being done. So I'll just change the data formatting, okay. So I'll just reduce it and I'll just go for, say, the data labels, or else what I'll do, I'll just remove it because anyhow it takes same time. So I'll just go for selecting a column chart like this. Okay. Now I'll just drag and drop sales and I'll drag and drop country as well. Now everything should be shown here in terms of 100%. Okay. Clear, right? Now, when I just add the discount band here, what happens? Based on certain discount bands, you have the percentages. See here, this is the least percentage, it is not showing. But if you see the other percentages, you have got it like a stacked column one, which means that you have got high discount band, low discount band, medium discount, and if you don't have any discount, this is the sales in each and every country. We can come to a conclusion based on the percentage. Okay. So in terms of
Okay.
percentage, if you want to keep it, you can go for a clustered column chart. Okay. So we can certainly conclude that anything like which is there on the x-axis, if you want to compare, which is like state, country, region, or product subcategory, you can go for selecting in terms of percentages for a column chart. Now, once we have that bar chart here, if you go for clicking on that bar chart and changing it into 100% stacked bar chart, okay. So if you just remove the x and the y axis, if you can add the profit and if you can add the units sold, see, you are going to get it. Okay, so here also it has been formatted this way. Okay, I'll just remove that, go for the selection like this, go for adding profit and go for adding say discount band, different discount bands we have got profits, and let me add the segment as well. Okay, you're getting the change here, right, Vijay? If you see the change here, you can see
Yeah.
the sum of profit by discount band and also on different segments as well. Okay, getting my point here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, if this point, if you want to see this point, just right click on that point and show data point as a table. Okay, you will see the data point, whatever that's there, you can see it on the table itself. Okay, clear with the point? Getting my point here,
Okay.
right?
You have to just select the segment and click on the right click it and it'll go to table
Yes,
format, is it?
you can go to the table format. Yes. Now, if you also want to expand it, you can see the like percentage as well directly. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just to reduce that, I have shown you here. See, this is a simple stacked bar chart. Okay, so this was a stacked column chart, 100%. This was a stacked bar chart. Okay, clear right now?
Yeah.
Any doubts here up to this point?
No, it's quite good.
Okay. Now, in the same way, we have got the stack column chart and the bar chart, but here we go for the numerical quantity, not in percentage, but it is direct numerical quantity here. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's a stacked like column chart without expressing in percentages. This one with expressing in percentages. See here, this is without expressing percentage. Okay. Clear right now?
Yeah. Yeah,
Getting
we
my
just
point?
practice all of these once to remember.
Sure. Like anyhow, we have got another 7 minutes of time. Just after that, you practice taking the data,
Mhm.
and by the time I
Mhm.
upload the recording, we can connect back again for another 20 to 25 minutes, and we can go for the
Mhm.
next charts as well. Okay, fine. So I
Okay.
think
Can we take a
sure.
10-minute break? I have something to finish up. I have one small call to finish up.
Yeah,
Can you have
sure,
10-minute
sure.
break and then
Just
continue?
7 minutes is there in this meeting. Don't worry. After
Okay.
7 minutes, you take a break.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. So again, let me go for taking your confirmation. Is it clear? The column chart and the bar chart that you have understood, right?
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
average line, maximum, minimum line, you can add it in the formatting feature. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes. So let me
Yes.
go for another type of chart, which is nothing but a pie chart, which you already know. And the next one is the donut chart. Now both the charts are quite similar, Vijay. There is no rule that you have to use a pie chart or a donut chart. You can use either the pie chart or the donut chart. But in case if the business user or your MD or team leader wants you to express in numerical quantities only, just like this one, what I'm showing you here is, say I want to see the sales over different discount bands. Okay, you see the sales in different discount bands, which is showing you the numerical quantity and also the percentage, right? So once you want to see it only as a numerical quantity, you go to format the visuals. Okay, you turn off the legend. See, you don't want to see the legend because the color shows you directly that which is the legend. You don't have to worry about it, right? So if you expand the detailed labels, you can go for like outside, inside, or anything. You can just use it and use only the data value. Okay. So if you want to express in data value alone, you will go for sum of sales by discount band by selecting the pie chart. Okay. By selecting the pie chart. Okay. So once we have the selecting of pie chart, which is sum of sales by discount band. Now, if I just select this one, which is the donut chart, so I'll go for sales and I'll go for say segment wise sales. Okay. So here as well, I'll turn off the legends and I'll go only for the percentage of the total. See, I'll go for percentage of the total, right? See, this is the one. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, as a manager, I'll just ask you in my report, I want to see only the percentages of the legend. Which graph would you choose?
Only the percentage of the legend. Yeah. So this will be easier. The donut chart will be easier because it's
Yes.
more visualizedly. Yeah. Can see
Yeah.
out of
The donut
100% what
chart
I was
is
taking.
quite preferred at this time. Okay. Now, if I want to see the numerical value, I go for pie chart.
Pie chart. Yeah.
Okay. Just remember this. This is the only difference that we have got for, say, the pie chart and as well as the donut chart. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we can also go for the rotations as well. See, you can just change the rotations and keep it whichever direction that you want to use it. Okay. And in case if you want to see a certain color, if you want to keep it, or spacing wise, inner radius, if you want to reduce it. Okay. If you want to increase the inner radius. Okay. So you can keep it likewise. Okay. So this
Okay.
is one way which you can increase or decrease the inner radius of it. Okay. Clear with my point?
Yeah.
Got it right?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Okay. See here, this is the sum of sales by discount band that we have. Okay. So this was for a pie chart and a donut chart. Clear with the point here, Vijay?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. The next one, what I'll do here is I'll just go for the visual, which is used directly to compare a single value. Okay. So I want to see the KPIs. KPIs are generally preferred for this card visual. So the visual that I'm selecting here is a card visual. Okay. Now, as I click on this card visual, I have got a single value what I can use. Say sales. Okay. Now, I just want another card, arrange it properly. I want what is the profit. Okay. Getting my point here, right? So this is sum of sales. This is sum of profit. Okay. Clear with my point here?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any single
Yeah.
value, I can express it in the card visual. Now there is formatting features such as callout value, which is thousands, and I just increase the decimal point to 2 decimal points. Okay. Okay. The same way, what I'll do here is click on Format Painter, and I'll just increase the Format Painter, which is sum of profit. Okay. So likewise, we can have different callout values. Click on that. If you want to turn off the category label, you can turn it off. And this one as well, turn off the category label, you can keep it. Okay. Clear right now, Vijay?
Yeah. For single values, the card is the visual to go for.
Yes, absolutely right. Okay. So I hope that you have got an idea right now with the card visual, line chart.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not the line chart,
Pie
column
chart,
and the bar chart,
bar.
and as well
Yeah.
as pie chart
Pie
and
chart
donut
and
chart.
donut chart.
Clear right now, Vijay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll
Yeah.
be back after a minute. Just we'll wait for the recording to end, and we'll have our next
Mhm.
25 minutes as I see this training extends. Okay. Just
Yeah.
be back.
Can we join at 5 minutes at this thing 7:45? 7:40. 5. Yeah.